In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Patreon subscriptions. If you're currently supporting one or more creators on Patreon and you want to stop a membership, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. First, go to Patreon and make sure you're signed into the account that has the active memberships you want to manage. Once you're on the main Patreon page, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a 3-dot menu there. Click that menu to open more account options. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your account preferences and subscription-related details. Inside Settings, look for the Memberships section and click on it. This is the part of Patreon where all of your active creator plans are listed in one place. Once you open Memberships, you should be able to see the plans you currently have. This is helpful if you support more than one creator because it lets you review everything before making any changes. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct membership, especially if some creators offer multiple tiers or benefits. Next, find the creator you want to stop supporting and click View Details. This opens the specific membership information for that creator, including the options available for managing that plan. If you don't see it immediately, just scan through your memberships carefully until you find the right one. When you're inside the membership details, click Cancel Membership. Patreon will usually ask you to confirm your choice before the cancellation is finalized, so go ahead and confirm it. This extra confirmation step is there to make sure you don't end a membership by accident. After that, your cancellation should be processed. It's a good idea to read any on-screen message that appears after confirming, because Patreon may tell you when the cancellation takes effect. In some cases, you may still have access to creator benefits until the end of your current billing period. And that's it. That's how to cancel a Patreon subscription through your account settings. If you're managing several memberships, you can repeat the same process for any other creator you no longer want to support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.